Dove Hair Therapy Hydration Spa Conditioner for moisturized hair. This conditioner for hair is part of a hydrating system with 24-hour hydration lock. Conditioner for dry hair formulated with hyaluronic serum. Hair conditioner helps you keep hair hydrated, soft and smooth. This conditioner leaves you with beautifully nourished strands and a refreshed scalp. Moisturize your hair. You can always count on Dove to give you the best care for your hair. Dove Hair Therapy Hydration Spa Conditioner with Hyaluronic Serum is designed to provide 24-hour hydration lock for beautifully smooth, moisturized hair. The Dove difference. Dove has always drawn inspiration from real, diverse women. We celebrate beauty, which we define as feeling and looking your best. Dove Hair Therapy. Discover Dove Hair Therapy expert care that goes to hair's cellular level, with potent moisturizers and nourishing ingredients. For beautiful, healthy-looking strands and a refreshed scalp from the first use. Kind to the planet. Globally, Dove does not test on animals. This cruelty-free collection is the perfect addition to your cruelty-free beauty collection. Top reviews from the United States. Supple, large quantity. The first time I tried it, it felt so soft. And it has a lot of capacity, it is worth recommending.